Again, I'm using a press cloth here so I don't scorch the cloth with the hot iron. And now we take the cloth and we drape it over the canvas. Like that, and it's also going to follow along with the front edge. So I give it a pull and a stitch. And then we take the pocket out through the canvas. And then we flip it around and place the other, and we press the other side of the chest. You're pressing, press every square inch. Nothing gets untouched. The reason why we stretch the inlay is so whenever it pulls back, it doesn't bind the waist of the coat. Which will undoubtedly do because the edge of the inlay is shorter than the inside of the seam.